In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Apple Music for free on your iPhone. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So now let's get started. When you open the Apple Music app, you'll likely notice an enticing offer which generously presents 1 month of free usage. This initial offer can be quite tempting. However, what if I told you there is a way to extend your free usage period to 4 or even 6 months? Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you how. Firstly, exit the Apple Music app. To begin your journey to extend free access, simply turn to Google search. Type in Apple Music free trial and you'll be see multiple options. One appealing choice can be found at Best Buy. It advises a 4-month free trial of Apple Music. Adding it to your cart and go to the checkout page to receive a code that unlocks 4 months of Apple Music without any charge. But hold on, there is an even sweeter deal that extends your free usage period to a remarkable 6 months. This offer is directly from Apple itself and applies to new subscribers. To qualify, you'll need to own either AirPods, HomePods, or Beats. Pair one of these devices with your iPhone, hit get started, and you'll enjoy 6 months of Apple Music at no cost. Please keep in mind that this offer won't work if you don't own any of these specific devices. If you have purchased one of these, such as AirPods, HomePods, or Beats, you are eligible for the 6 months free trial. Beyond the initial free period, the subscription will cost you $10.99 per month. With this extended free access, you can savor unlimited music, podcasts, and more for a significant 6 months period. It's a fantastic way to explore all that Apple Music has to offer without reaching for your wallet. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.